But what is going to transform the city of Rio de Janeiro is the arrival of John VI, who is the regent king of Portugal in 1808, who arrives to Brazil, escaping with the family and the nobles and the state workers, escaping from Napoleon in Europe, who is invading or threatening to invade Portugal, and basically brings the Queen, Maria, who would die in Brazil, and his son, Pedro or Peter, with him. And the arrival of John VI is going to be extremely important because it will make Brazil to go through a completely different independence project that the other Latin American countries. So, resuming this, during the stay in Brazil, Brazil becomes the imperial capital of Portugal and Brazil and the Algarves, because the John VI becomes king in Brazil after his mother dies in 1815. And in 1820, he decided to go back to Portugal to take care of the business of the court, and because the situation has calmed down. And his son Peter decided to ally with the oligarchy and revolt against his father, and decide to become the emperor of Brazil. So Peter is going to be the emperor of Brazil for 10 years, and from then his son Peter II will also be the emperor, second and final emperor of Brazil, all through the 19th century until the abolition of slavery, and that is going to also provoke the end of the monarchy in 1889, okay, and the beginning of the Republic. So when we go to Rio de Janeiro, these kings and this history, and this colonial history, and then the imperial history of Brazil in the 19th century, with a monarchy, a colonial monarchy that basically becomes independence from the colonizer. So this is the Paso Imperial in Praça 15, a very important site to start, or to follow our tour. This brings us back to 1800, when the king Maria comes, and she lives in the Queen. She lives in that white building in the back that is a convent of Carmo, and then this imperial palace serves as a place to live temporarily, but also to as an office for the king and his family, and then for the king of Brazil, for both kings of Brazil, and also acclamation ceremonies took place around here in this place, next in the church that we're going to see next. So this is going back to the bread. The bread was a part of a French mission that was invited by Juan VI to come to Brazil, to come to Rio de Janeiro, to create an architecture and artistic school in the city. So these images also bring us not only how impressive with this fountain, and then with the two churches in the back, and the convent, and the imperial palace, and the buildings on the right, but at the same time, who were the workers, working in the streets of Rio de Janeiro, doing the hardest works, basically enslaved people that were brought to Rio in large quantities in the 19th century because of the boom in the economy and the growth of the city. So this is a print of Rio de Janeiro, 1873. Rio has grown through. From the right, we see the Imperial Palace, the Paso Imperial Plaza, from the original settlement that is what is called the Morro do Castelo. You see it right here, the Morro do Castelo. This area was all demolished at the beginning of the 20th century to make this a flat, more ventilated area, and also a way to modernize the city. So the city has already created around, I say, the Morro do Castelo grow around this area, Plaza 15, all through the 19th century. And through the 19th century, also in 1840, people start, building houses in Santa Teresa. There was a plague in Rio de Janeiro in 1840. Some people decide to go up, to build houses up here. And it's more ventilated in the summer. And we also have the Arcos de Lapa, the Lapa Arches. So this is basically what Rio de Janeiro looked like in, advanced 19th century, with a population that had grown from, quickly in the 19th century. At the beginning of the 19th century is around 100,000, and this doubles really quick throughout the century. And one of the places that you could visit to travel through the history of Brazil, and especially with a strong emphasis on Imperial Brazil, 19th century Brazil, as this was a military fort. What is the historical, the Museo Histórico Nacional, the National Historic Museum, that is close to Plaza 15, where we just passed by in the slides that I showed you of the Imperial Palace. This is a good place where you could see a good room with an introduction to native contributions to Brazilian culture, to history. Then also the African contribution, the people who were enslaved from Africa, in numbers that go from 3.5 to 5 million for Brazil. That's what is estimated. And then basically the arrival of the Portuguese at the court of John VI, and then his son and Peter I and Peter II, who become basically king of Brazil. You have a lot of information. There is also information about 20th century Brazil, but basically this is what the museum focused on. Going back to Plaza 15, we can see these two churches. We can see Our Lady of Carmo Church and the Third Order of Carmo. These were, for a while, when the kings were in Brazil, they were the cathedral, the Our Lady of Carmo Church. And the Third Order was built by powerful, brothers, basically rich businessmen who, in order to secure a place to be buried, and also to secure their salvation, will contribute to this, huge constructions. So going through around Plaza 15 and downtown Rio de Janeiro, it will help you to immerse into what is still the colonial, basically colonial Rio. Okay, you still see these white buildings. You still see these churches that were created during colonial times. Very elegant, very symmetric. So this is a place where, again, you perceive how charming. Still, there are some parts of downtown Rio, that you could visit during business hours, 8:30 to 5:30. During business days, usually Monday through Friday is the best time to walk around. But in front of the Royal Palace, you have this door, this arch that is called Arcos de Teles, and through it, you get very close to this Our Lady of Lapa of the Merchants Church. But you pass by the house where the famous Carmen Miranda, the musician and actress that we'll talk about in a moment, live. Okay, here in Arcos de Teles. And on Fridays, this is a good happy hour destination for Brazilians.